Hi guys, it's Ben here, and today is a special episode because I'm gonna be playing this song that we made up. It says good sounds, but we crossed that out and made it amazing sounds. And it's also special because I'm gonna be showing you what I got for Hanukkah, and you'll also see my Pokemon posters from my birthday party. Okay, now we're gonna play amazing sounds. Right now. That's it for that. Now let's go over to the Hanukkah corner. So first, I got this Pokemon binder. Some of the stuff is back there. I'm not really going to show you that. But here is this Pokemon trading card binder. And this eco-science toy. I don't know what that's about. There's also this pool table that's downstairs. I got this fantasy Octoly. And for when it snows, gotta be ready. Snowman kit. Yeah. Okay, bye!